Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Pawns.App. You click on settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above here we search about Pawns.App. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we will enter to the window of storage. Then here we click on clear cache. As you see in this page, you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.